So there are some filters over here applied in this Gmail account. And if you want to go around and then export out those filters so that you can import it in another Gmail account that you have, or if you want to share it out with others so that they can apply out the filter as well, then you can go around and click on the gear icon right here and click on see all settings to access all the settings. Then you can go around onto filters and blocked addresses. So over here you can see that I got two filters, so I want to export out all of the filters right here. So I'm just going to go around and click on all right here just like this, and then I'm going to click on export right here. So once I do that, you can see that the filters gets exported in XML format right here just like this. So I'm just going to go around onto my desktop and hit save, and what happens is that the download gets started out, and over here you can see the filter downloaded out right here. And that is how you can go around and export out filters that you have in your Gmail.